Hi, I'm Emmy. Welcome to Yoga with Em. This is my yoga mascot, Missy. She sometimes stars in the videos, not always that helpful. My passion is yoga, and the idea of creating this channel is to make some videos so you can do yoga for free in your own home. Yoga is for everyone, for every day. And I've been teaching yoga here in the beautiful Wairarapa region of New Zealand for a short time. I've been teaching yoga for 3 or 4 years. I've been practicing for on and off for over 20 years. And I'm going to bring you influences from my training in India, from Brixton, London, and from Wellington, New Zealand. And you'll see a fusion of that on the mat. So don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up to date with all my latest offerings.